The average European eats around 10 kilograms of chocolate every year. And yes, that's a lot. But in manufacturing, we make it possible. So let me take you through the process and show you how it happens. Step 1. Collect the cocoa. Try that way. Step 2. Roast the seeds and crush them. Make it look epic. Congrats, you've got a base. Now let's make chocolate. Step 3. Analyze the data. Automate the process. Make it smooth. Very smooth. Step 4. Taste it. Improve it. Steps 5 and 6, because we like to mix. Make it precise. Form it. Pack it. You know what? Give yourself some rest and focus on the taste. Don't worry. We will take care of the rest.